Hi guys, it's me, it's Lacey Elizabeth, and I'm so excited, yes! Because today we are doing an unboxing with none other than legendary Gucci. Yes, Gucci has made cosmetics and I haven't tried these products before, so I thought I'm gonna pick some up. Let's do an unboxing, let's do a get ready with me, and you know, see how they work. So today is the end of the month, and like promised, I told you guys I would pick the winner of the huge giveaway, so I'm gonna announce that sometime during this video. By the way, I have another huge announcement for you guys, so stay tuned, keep watching. Remember, subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, smash that notification bell, and comment down below. Okay, so I went into Sephora, I picked up 4 Gucci products. I picked up the face bronzer, I picked up the mascara, I picked up the brow pencil, and I picked up the lip balm. I was debating between color and lip balm, and I'm like, between the lipstick and the lip balm, she's extra. I went with the lip balm simply because it's fall going into winter, obviously, and it's dry outside. She's dry, you know, lip balm. So that's what we've got. I thought, let's do a get ready with me. Let's test these out, let's try them on, and let's start unboxing. So I thought, let's start with the eyebrow pencil. So this is actually called the Powder Eyebrow Pencil from Gucci, and this is what the box looks like. This is so exciting. I actually picked up shade 3, Chete. This one right here. Oh, okay. That's exciting. So it comes with this really cute little Gucci pencil sharpener. Like that's everything. I love that. So this one right here, this is shade number 3. Like, this is just so cute to have in your makeup bag. I love the little gold detail. Love that. This is the color. So I'm just gonna do a swatch test right here. Oh, that's soft. Okay, that's really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead in, I'm gonna do my brows, and be right back. Okay guys, so obviously this isn't my shade. It's a lot darker than I want it to be, so I'm actually gonna go in with 2 products. So I'm actually going to take the back side off of my Fenty brow pencil because I absolutely love this blending tool for brows. I'm just going to blend this out, and then I'm going to go in with the Fenty brow definer wax, and I'm going to just clean that up. Okay, so far with the Gucci, like, I like it, I do. It's very buildable, it's very pliable. It's a little thicker than I would like it to be for a pencil, especially for your brows. But I like the formula, except this is clearly not my shade. But I'm just gonna go in with this Fenty wax, and I'm almost done. Okay. So that is the brows. I don't hate it, but like, definitely it's not my shade, and definitely I wish it was a little bit of a finer like tool to it, kind of like the Fenty, because I really love that one right now. And this one, obviously it's a lot thicker, just the way it is. Like, it's like an eyeliner pencil, which is a lot thicker for your brows. That's not gonna make natural looking little tiny fine hairs. That's my downfall with this one, but let's keep going. All right guys, let's unbox this Gucci bronzer. So I wanted to get the first shade. This is shade 2. This is El Cat Soleil. And I literally wanted to get shade number 1. They were sold out. Let's hope that this isn't terribly dark. I'm scared because the eyebrow pencil was a little bit dark with shade 3. So let's try this out. Let's unbox this. Oh, that's stunning. The packaging I'm living for. This is so cute. It says Gucci right there. Okay, so the packaging is stunning. Like, that is what I would expect, 100%. Like, that is so pretty. Love that. And that's a lot darker than I would want it to be. So I'm gonna go in very, very light, obviously, but that is everything. That's so, so pretty. I'm gonna go in with this Makeup by Mario powder brush. So again, I'm just gonna go in, 2 taps. There's quite a bit of product on there. I'm just tapping it off. And let's just bronze that forehead. Well, that's really pretty. For me, because I'm so fair, I think I would definitely prefer the lighter shade, but I don't hate this. This is nice. There isn't terribly much of a scent to it. There's like tiniest speck of scent, but like it's, for me, I'm sensitive and no, it's fine. So I'm just gonna go in with this Smashbox blending brush. This is a number 19. I'm just gonna smudge that out. Well, I definitely don't hate it. Like, it's actually a really pretty color. I would probably still go with one shade lighter, shade 1 for my skin tone, but I don't hate that. That's really, really pretty. I kind of like what, you know, it's doing here. It definitely has me bronzed. Okay guys, I'm gonna go in, put some eye makeup on, and I'll be right back. And let's test out that mascara. I just went in, I put on my eyeshadow, and I used this palette right here, which is the Rose Decadence palette from Pat McGrath. So I put this on right here. So pretty, love it. So we've got that on our eyes. Let's go in and unbox this Gucci mascara. So this is called the Lash by Lash Buildable Mascara. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. That is very pretty. I love the packaging. It's very classic looking, very clean. It's giving me back in the day makeup vibes. This right here is the wand. So I like that. That's very pretty. I am not like a huge fan of those spiky wands though. That's very pretty. So you can already tell it's giving me that lift and I like it. Minus right there where I smudged it, but I can fix that up. It says it's buildable, so I'm gonna go back in and apply a little bit more. So definitely the more coats you apply, it makes your lashes look longer and fuller. I do like that quite a bit. Okay, let me go in, do the other eye, and I'll be right back. This is everything. I'm loving this. Like the lift, the volume, the lengthening, non-clumpy. It's so, it glides on, like effortlessly, like seamlessly. Like this is so worth it. Like this, I don't know why it's not talked about as much. Like this is So good, like loving that. Loving this. Like this is gold stars. Like this is everything. Like this is so many gold stars. Love this mascara. Let me go in, do the rest of my face, contour, blush, a little bit of highlight, and I'll be right back. So I've got my contour on, I've got my highlight on, you know, we just need to do our lip color. So we've got this brand new, it's like a color lip balm from Gucci, and I'm so excited. So I picked up the color No More Orchids. This is shade 2. So I'm so excited for this. Let's open this up. Oh, the color is so pretty. Love that. So pretty. This is Gucci right there. Loving this gold detail. That's pretty. That is so pretty. Okay. Hopefully this goes with the eye look. I totally forgot what shade I picked up. I love that. All right. I'm not gonna line my lips. I just kind of want to see what this color does. This is really moisturizing. I really love it. It's so luxurious and like just pretty. It's actually not the crazy Barbie pink that it is in the bullet, which is great because I was like, oh, okay. Forgot what color I picked up. But like this is really pretty. This does go with the eye look. I think so. It's really pretty. Love it. Okay guys, so what do you think? Full face of Gucci? Do we like it? Let me know in the comments down below. I really love it. Probably my favorite product would be the mascara, and the second favorite product would be this lip balm. It's so moisturizing, so pretty. Like this would just go with everything. You could throw on some sweats, you know, and just like be chill and be wearing your Gucci lip balm and everything, you know, just everything, because she's extra. Okay guys, let me know what you think in the comments down below. So guys, I promised you guys 2 huge announcements. The first one is the winner of our giveaway. Yes! I'm so happy and grateful and thankful, and I feel so blessed to have all of you guys in my life supporting me. Thank you. Huge thank you to you guys. The winner of my contest is, let's shake this up. Put everyone's names in here. Okay. Elizabeth, if I get your name wrong, I'm sorry. Elizabeth, you are the winner. I will contact you on Instagram. I don't want anyone to be sad. I'm doing something major. There's going to be another giveaway next week. That's it. I'm drawing for it next week. And another one of my lucky subscribers are going home with the exact same stuff. Yes! Okay guys, I love you all so much. Thank you so much for all your support. Guys, remember, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye guys.